Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Museum of Geology. Now I am starting from mineral number 115, which is tetrahedrite. The crystal system of tetrahedrite is tetrahedral and the habit is often twinned, massive, granular or compact. The hardness is 4 and specific gravity is 4.8. Lustre is metallic. The color is iron black or steel grey. The streak will be same as the color of the mineral. There are no cleavage and the fracture are subconchoidal or brittle. The occurrences of the tetrahedrite are with the coppered ores, or we can find it in the hydrothermal veins. Number 116 is topaz. So there are the habit of topaz is massive or granular, or we can say prismatic, and topaz is belonging from the aluminium silicates family. The hardness of topaz is 8, the specific gravity is 3.5 and the luster is vitreous. The color is white with yellow, blue, or there are pink shades. The streak is white. There are perfect cleavage in topaz and subconchoidal fracture, and the occurrences of topaz are cavities in acid igneous rocks, in greisens, in quartz, or we can say it presents in quartz veins or gemstone. After that there are 117, which is tourmaline. So the habit of tourmaline is angular cross section, or we can say massive columnar, and there are the hardness of tourmaline is 7 and there are the specific gravity is 3.1. Tourmaline is belonging from silosilicates family. We can say that tourmaline is belonging from cyclosilicates family, and the luster of tourmaline is vitreous. The hardness is 7 and specific gravity is 3.1. The color is usually black, also blue, green, red, colorless, yellow, and other colors are also available here. The streak will be white, or we can say colorless. There are poor cleavage and subconchoidal fracture. The occurrences are pneumatolitic mineral in acid rocks and in schist and gneisses. Number 118 is tremolite, or we can say actinolite. And the family of tremolite or an actinolite is amphiboles. The crystal system is prismatic and there are the habit is fibrous or columnar. The hardness of tremolite or actinolite is 5 and specific gravity is 3.2. Luster is vitreous. The color is white to green or with increasing iron. The streak is white. Cleavage is perfect. And the occurrences of tremolite, or we can say actinolite, in metamorphosed impure limestones. So viewers, these are the important physical properties of the minerals. Let's wait for my next video for more information with more minerals. Thank you.